This Italian crispy bacon potato recipe requires a few simple ingredients and minimal effort, and you'll create a culinary masterpiece that's sure to impress. Let's get cooking. Let's start by cooking the potatoes. Wash them thoroughly and place them in a pot with enough water to cover them. Let them simmer for around 30 minutes until they're tender but still hold their shape. While the potatoes are boiling, it's time to prep the onion and bacon. Peel the onion, slice it in half, and then into thin strips. Cut the bacon into small cubes. Once the potatoes are cooked, drain them and let them cool slightly. Peel them, cut them in half and then into rough cubes. Now, heat olive oil and butter in a skillet. Toss in the onion and sauté for a few minutes until fragrant. Add the bacon cubes and let them crisp up for about 10 minutes. Carefully add the cubed potatoes to the skillet and give everything a good mix. Use the back of a spoon to lightly smash some potato pieces. This will create a nice variety of textures. Season with salt and pepper, then add 1 tablespoon of butter. Continue cooking for about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally until the potatoes develop a gorgeous golden crust. And there you have it, hot crispy potatoes, ready to be devoured.